A hidden black hole is lurking in our cosmic backyard, so close that astronomers are quietly alarmed by what its very existence implies, and we only found it because a star was dancing in circles around nothing visible. Something in our galaxy is bending space and time in ways that shouldn't be this invisible, this nearby, and scientists still don't fully agree on how many more like it are out there waiting. Stick around for this one, because it hits closer to home than you might think. This dormant stellar mass black hole, named Gaia BH1, was uncovered in 2022 through data from the European Space Agency's Gaia spacecraft, which meticulously tracks the positions and motions of billions of stars. Located about 1,560 light-years away in the direction of the constellation Ophiuchus, relatively close on galactic scales, it weighs roughly 10 times the mass of our Sun, yet is only about 60 kilometers across, the size of a small city. Unlike active black holes that blaze with X-rays from devouring material, this one is quiet, revealed only by the gravitational tug on its companion star, a sun-like star orbiting it every 185 days or so in a wide, eccentric path. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, crushing matter into an object with gravity so intense that not even light escapes. Gaia BH1 is a stellar remnant, the leftover core after a supernova, now invisible except for its gravitational fingerprint. Its discovery marked the first time astronomers found a dormant black hole in a wide binary system with a normal star, challenging previous assumptions that such quiet pairs were rare. But then something strange happened as researchers dug deeper into the Gaia data. The black hole wasn't just sitting there passively. Its companion star showed subtle anomalies in its motion that suggested the system had a peculiar formation history. The orbit is unusually wide for such a massive companion, and there were hints that the black hole might have formed without the expected violent supernova explosion that would have kicked the system apart. This points to direct collapse, or other exotic pathways, breaking expectations about how many black holes hide in plain sight across the Milky Way. What does it mean if the closest known black hole to us was invisible until we looked for tiny wobbles in starlight? Could something similar be happening much closer, undetected? Let's peel this back in layers. First, the detection method itself is revolutionary. Gaia measures stellar positions with incredible precision, detecting the tiny astrometric wobble caused by an unseen massive object. For Gaia BH1, the star's path traces an ellipse around the invisible center of mass. No X-ray emissions, no accretion disk glowing, pure gravitational detective work. This opened the door to finding quiet black holes that traditional methods missed. Next layer, scale and implications for our galaxy. Stellar mass black holes like this are the remnants of stars that lived fast and died young. Estimates suggest there could be hundreds of millions in the Milky Way alone, many in similar dormant states. Gaia BH1's wide orbit means the progenitor star didn't disrupt the binary during its death throes, implying gentler formation mechanisms or specific conditions. Follow-up observations with other telescopes confirmed no significant material is falling in, keeping it truly dormant for now. Then, consider the environment. At 1,560 light-years, it's far enough to pose no immediate threat. Black holes don't suck in everything around them like vacuums. Their gravity follows normal rules beyond the event horizon. But its presence so close forces us to recalibrate how we map invisible mass in the galaxy. Subsequent discoveries, like Gaia BH3, at around 2,000 light-years with nearly 33 solar masses, reinforce that these hidden giants are more common than thought, especially massive ones. But that's not even the strange part. The real scientific tension comes from what these findings reveal about black hole formation and the potential for undiscovered ones even nearer. Traditional models predicted most black hole binaries would be tight and active due to common envelope evolution, where stars interact closely. Yet Gaia's dormant wide binaries challenge that, suggesting alternate pathways like supernova kicks that don't destroy the system, or even failed supernovae leading to direct collapse. Astronomers disagree on the numbers. Some models predict dozens of similar systems within a few thousand light-years, raising questions about undetected risks or unseen influences on nearby stars. There's also debate on whether intermediate mass or wandering black holes could be roaming even closer, evading detection until they interact. This discovery shook confidence in our galactic census. Zoom out further, and the stakes feel profoundly personal for Earth and humanity's place in the cosmos. Black holes are key to understanding stellar death, chemical enrichment of galaxies, and even gravitational wave events, detectable by LIGO when they merge. Finding them nearby helps calibrate theories about the universe's violent side. For us, it underscores vulnerability. Space is not empty or safe. Rogue black holes or unseen companions could theoretically wander through the Oort cloud, perturbing comets toward Earth, though probabilities are low. More importantly, it highlights how much of reality remains hidden: dark matter, dark energy, and now these gravitational ghosts. Emotionally, it makes the universe feel both wondrous and humbling. We thought we knew our neighborhood, but invisible monsters lurk, reminding us how fragile our stable solar system is amid the Milky Way's dynamics. Discoveries like this fuel the drive for better telescopes, like future Gaia releases or JOST follow-ups, pushing humanity toward deeper cosmic awareness and perhaps technologies to detect or even harness such phenomena one day. This brings us full circle to that initial shock of an invisible presence warping a star's dance right in our galactic backyard. The mystery endures because while Gaia BH1 is accounted for, the full population of hidden black holes and their formation secrets remains unresolved. How many more are out there, quietly influencing their surroundings, perhaps shaping the evolution of stars and planets in ways we're only beginning to grasp? The tension lingers, inviting us to question the unseen forces at play across the cosmos. If learning about this hidden neighbor made you feel a mix of awe and unease about the invisible universe surrounding us, what's your gut reaction? Does it make space feel more dangerous or more fascinating? Share in the comments. I read them all, and it helps spark more of these explorations. If this revelation about the hidden black hole close to Earth stirred something in you and made you think differently about our cosmic home, give it a follow, share with friends who stare at the night sky wondering what's really out there, and let's continue pulling back the veil on these profound truths together. Your engagement keeps these stories reaching more curious minds.